name's James Redcliffe. I'm the head of operations at St Mary Redcliffe Church in Bristol.
And I'm Laura, and I'm the associate vicar here at St Mary Redcliffe. On the 28th, it's going to be a full peal of bells, which is about 4 hours of bell ringing.
4 hours of bell ringing, yeah.
Just to really make that noise that we are marking this incredible anniversary.
And these are some of the biggest and oldest bells in the country as well, so it really is going to make quite a stir.
They will be heard all around, and again, it's a powerful signal to everyone, and especially for this occasion as well.